Hey there, I'm Paige with Memberspace, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online course with modules, lessons, quizzes, and even a certificate of completion right inside your member menu so only paying members get access. The member menu is where you'll organize all of your members-only products and content. Think of it as your content hub. You can sell access to multiple digital products, or you can just focus on one, like an online course. Courses are usually structured into modules and lessons, often with a mix of written content, videos, and even downloadable guides. If your membership includes multiple products, like maybe events, a community, a content library, and online courses, it's helpful to create a courses collection and then add folders inside for each of your courses. In the fitness example here, members can choose from 3 different courses. But if your membership is only focused on courses, you could make each course its own collection so they show up directly in the member menu instead of being folders inside a larger courses collection. Either way, you'll create folders for each module inside your course, and then you'll add your lessons inside each module. If a lesson only includes one item, like maybe a video with a short description, for example, just upload that and then label it with the lesson name. But if a lesson includes multiple pieces, like maybe a video, a PDF, and some long-form written content, you can create a folder for the lesson and then drop everything inside. Many course creators also include quizzes at the end of each module to test their students' knowledge. So you can build quizzes using tools like Typeform or Google Forms, and then you can link to them wherever it makes sense in your course. If you plan to give students a certificate of completion, it's a good idea to explain how and when they'll receive it right on your course's main page. You can even include a preview of what the certificate looks like. And then to issue certificates, you'll want to keep an eye out for quiz submissions and then email your students a custom certificate. A tool like Canva makes this really easy with ready-to-use templates, so you can just edit the template and then add a few details like the student's name, the date, and then your signature. The simplest way to build your course is directly in the member menu. But if you would rather use website pages, you can organize your modules and lessons on your website, and then you can lock those pages and link to them from the member menu. Just know it's easier to manage everything directly in the member menu itself. Plus, if you ever need to switch website platforms, everything goes with you. You don't have to rebuild anything. If you ever need to reorganize any of your course content, like adding more lessons, or maybe you're reordering your modules, you can drag and drop content to move it around easily. On your website, members will access your course from the member menu via the floating member button or any other custom member links you've added, like in your website's header. They can watch videos, read lessons, and then download resources right inside your member menu. And then linked quizzes will open up in a new tab when clicked. If someone wants to pause and then come back later, they can favorite the next lesson or module so it's easy to pick back up right where they left off. To keep members in the loop, we recommend adding a What's New collection at the top of your member menu. You can use this space to post updates and link to new content like a newly launched course so members can click and then go straight there. When something's no longer new, you can either delete the post or you can move it to a past updates folder just to keep everything clean. And if you want members to land here in the What's New space right when they log in, just copy the link to this collection and then paste it into the After Login field within your pricing plan settings. Whether you're launching your first course or you've done this before, we hope this helped you feel more confident about getting it all set up. If you have any questions along the way, our friendly support team is here to help. You'll always speak with a real person who is passionate about supporting you and your goals. And if you prefer face-to-face, you can always connect with us during a live support hour session where you'll get real-time assistance. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you build.